According to a lead researcher at Google's DeepMind AI division, human-level artificial intelligence is close to being attained, after DeepMind showed an AI system capable of completing a wide range of complicated tasks, from stacking blocks to writing poetry. Dr. Nando de Freitas declared, "The game is finished," in the decades-long effort to achieve artificial general intelligence, AGI. DeepMind's latest Gato AI, described as a generalist agent, only has to be scaled up to develop an AI capable of rivaling human intelligence, according to Dr. De Freitas. But before everything, we should know what is the Google's DeepMind is close to achieving human-level artificial intelligence. Robots are being made to mimic humans more closely. Inspired by the robots portrayed in science fiction, we are trying to make robots just like us. Interested in learning more? So keep an eye on the footage. Hello everyone! Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and click the notification bell button to stay up to speed on world politics, finance, international market, space, and anything else in the world of technology. DeepMind's research director stated in response to an opinion piece in the Next Web that argued humans will never develop AGI, that he believes such a result is inevitable. Now it's all about size. The game is finished, he expressed himself on Twitter. It's all about making these models bigger, safer, faster at sampling, smarter memory, more modalities, new data, on and offline. The only way to get AGI is to solve these problems. Will human-level artificial intelligence make life easier? Only Google will have the right for the AI? Will this improve and imply on Google services too? When asked how far the Gato AI was from passing a real Turing test, a measure of computer intelligence that needs a human to be unable to identify a machine from another human, Dr. De Freitas said, "Far still." Leading AI experts have cautioned that the arrival of AGI might spell the end of humanity, with Oxford University professor Nick Bostrom theorizing that a super-intelligent system capable of surpassing biological intelligence could usurp humans as the planet's dominant life form. Nando de Freitas, a research scientist at the business, stated that the game is finished when it comes to the obstacles of establishing artificial general intelligence, AGI. Artificial General Intelligence, AGI, refers to an intelligent agent's ability to comprehend or learn any intellectual task that a person might undertake. Some critics believe AGI will not be realized for decades, and some even doubt it will be realized this century. AGI has been recognized as a potential threat that might either intentionally or accidentally wipe humans out. De Freitas' remarks were in response to an opinion piece on the Next Web that claimed that humans will never achieve AGI. "It's all about weight now," Dr. Freitas tweeted. "The game has ended. It's all about making models bigger, safer, more efficient, and faster." He did agree, though, that humanity is still a long way from developing an AI that can pass the Turing test, which measures an AI's capacity to demonstrate intelligent behavior that is comparable to or indistinguishable from that of a human. Following DeepMind's Gato release, the Next Web item claimed that it demonstrates AGI no differently than virtual assistants like Amazon's Alexa and Apple's Siri, which are already on the market and in people's homes. Gato's ability to execute various tasks is more akin to a video game system that can store 600 distinct games, as it is a game that can be played 600 different ways, said Tristan Green, the Next online contributor. "It isn't a general AI. It is a collection of pre-trained narrow models neatly wrapped." Tiernan Ray, a ZDNet contributor, noted in another opinion post that the agent is actually not that excellent on some jobs. On the one hand, the algorithm is able to control a robotic acid arm that stockpiles blocks better than a specialized machine learning program, Ray added. On the other hand, it generates captions for photographs that are frequently inadequate. In normal conversational discussion with a human interlocutor, his competence is similarly average, yielding sometimes contradicting and illogical statements. Gato, for example, initially stated that Marseille is the capital of France. Gato also wrote a comment for a photo that said, "Guy holding a banana to take a shot of it." Despite, though, the man was holding bread. Gato is described in depth by DeepMind in a new research article titled "A Generalist Agent," which was recently published on the archive preprint server. When scaled up, the inventors of the company claim that such an agent will exhibit substantial performance improvement. AGI has been recognized as a potential threat that might either intentionally or accidentally wipe humans out. DeepMind was founded in London in 2010, before being acquired by Google in 2014. It is best known for developing an AI program that defeated world champion human professional walking player Lee Sedol in a 5-game match in 2016. In 2020, the business declared that it has solved the protein folding problem, which is defined as a protein's amino acid sequence controlling its 3D structure. According to other experts, Gato is designed to perform hundreds of tasks. However, this capability may degrade the quality of each work. However, AGI has yet to be realized, as it would mean that computers exist that can think, learn, and move like ordinary people, without any prior instruction. A frightening prospect, to say the least. Dr. Freitas pointed out that in order to reach the stage of producing an AGI, existing AI algorithms must be significantly scaled up in terms of data and processing power. The researcher made these remarks on Twitter in response to an opinion piece published by the Next Web that stated that mankind will never attain AGI. My opinion, it's all about scale now, Dr. Freitas said. The game has ended. It's all about making these models bigger, safer, more efficient to compute, faster at sampling, smarter memory, and more modalities. However, the DeepMind employee acknowledged that more work remains to be done in order to create an AI that can behave exactly like a human. The company recently debuted their newest AI dubbed Gato, which is capable of completing over 600 tasks on par with a human and responding to requests. Gato can converse to humans, stack blocks, and play simple video games, among other things. Google bought DeepMind in 2014, after it was formed in London in 2010. Additional research facilities have been opened in Edmonton and Montreal, Canada, as well as DeepMind Applied Team in Mountain View, California. DeepMind is on a quest to push the boundaries of artificial intelligence, creating algorithms that can learn to solve any complex problem without requiring you to learn how to do so. If the project is successful, the business believes it will be one of the most significant and generally beneficial scientific breakthroughs ever. The business has made headlines for a number of its products, including software that teaches itself how to play and win in 49 different Atari games, using only raw pixels as input. Gato has a core operating system that transports information across its various sections, similar to our own nervous system. His AlphaGo algorithm defeated the best player in the world in G, one of the most intricate and intuitive games ever conceived, with more locations than there are atoms in the universe, and won. While it may not be as exciting as running into a friend on the street, the rapid rate at which the AI is growing more and more human-like is astounding, or frightening. One of the major fears about the introduction of an AGI system capable of self-learning and growing exponentially smarter than humans is that it would be hard to turn off. Dr. De Freitas responded to several questions from AI researchers on Twitter by saying that safety is of utmost significance when building AGI. He wrote, "It's perhaps the largest difficulty we have. Everyone should be considering it. I'm also concerned about a lack of diversity. Google, which bought DeepMind in London in 2014, is already working on a huge red button to protect against the dangers of an intelligence explosion." DeepMind researchers presented a system for preventing sophisticated artificial intelligence from rejecting shutdown commands in a 2016 paper titled Safety Interruptible Agents. Is Google compatible for such a level of advancement? Will this help Google to reach new heights of achievements? Does this prove as a good viable option towards AI? Having said that, as we near the finish of this video, we'd like to thank you all for sticking with us. If you enjoyed the video, please click the like button. Most importantly, if you want to be kept up to date on anything relating to space and the internet, you should subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Looking forward to seeing you in the next one. Until then, peace.